Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, my students.
Good afternoon,
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you today? I didn't hear the spirit from you guys. How are you today?
I'm okay, I'm fine. And you?
Okay, I feel great today and I'm so happy because I can attend our class today. Okay, are you ready for the class?
Ready.
Sudah siap?
Siap.
Yep, okay, good. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright. Then I will check your attendance. Please raise your hand when I call your name. I will call you one by one. Ahmad Akbar, say present ya. Ahmad Hairi Aspija, where is he? Izin. Okay, there is a letter from him. Ahmad Maulana. Okay, sick. Hope he is gonna recover soon. Aulia Humairah, Melinda Hardianti, Muhammad Amir Jihadil Akbar, Muhammad Ataimi, Izin. Anyway, your voice when you reciting Al-Quran is very good. Siapa? Ataimi? Amir, alright? Okay. Your voice is very good. I like. Muhammad Farid Fadilah? Pindah. Where? Oh. Muhammad Firdaus. Okay. Muhammad Ifatur Raihan. Muhammad Mulkan Iqbal. Okay, good. Muhammad Ragil Al-Fazr. Present. Okay, good. Nor Anida Zulfa. Nor Aziza. Alright. Okay, my students. Please remember our class agreement that we have made before. Do you still remember our agreement?
Yes.
Can you mention? Don't use phone. When? The others, how about the others? Don't use phone when Miss doesn't give you permission. Or don't use phone when the learning process still going, yeah. And then this is let's remember our agreement. The first is bring English book. Do you bring your English books? Yes. Okay, good. And then wear the uniform neatly. Sudah semua rapi semuanya ya? Ada yang tidak rapi? Gak ada kan? Semuanya rapi kan? Oke, alhamdulillah. And then use English when asking for permission. Maybe you wanna go to the toilet, you can say, "May I go to the toilet, miss?" Or "May I go to move the rubbish?" If you want to throw away the rubbish, okay? Sampah ya, kalau mau buang sampah, permisi dulu gitu ya. And then this is Iqbal said that don't use smartphone when teacher doesn't give permission. Alright. Diingat ya, kesepakatan kelasnya jangan sampai lupa. Okay. And then right here the material that we have learned weeks ago. Do you still remember? Yes. Asking for and giving opinion, right? And then this is our learning goals, tujuan pembelajaran kita ya hari ini. Bisa dilihat di sini. menganalisis dan menangkap makna secara kontekstual, fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, serta merancang teks interaksi transaksional lisan yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta pendapat, or asking and giving opinion secara kritis, kreatif, santun terkait topik fenomena alam dan sosial dengan tingkat ya. So today we are gonna make some groups again like previous meeting. Okay, this one, expression of asking opinion and expressing of giving opinion. And now please look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is it? Bullying. You guys know this is about bullying. And then what is your opinion about this? What is it? Peristiwa ini, this bullying. What is your opinion? That's not good. And then what else? Apa kira-kira pendapat kalian tentang pembulian? Maybe you can write down your opinion and then I will ask some of you to read the opinion. Silakan, I will give you 3 minutes to write down your opinion. Jadi Miss beri kalian waktu 3 menit untuk menulis pendapat kalian tentang bullying. Ya, silakan tulis di buku. In English, of course.
Can I use cursor?
Maybe yes. You can use your phone to open the dictionary. Kalian boleh buka HP-nya untuk membuka kamus. Silakan. This is the example of opinion about bullying. The first one, please read. In my opinion, bullying can damage other people's mental health and make people unconfident. Nah, jadi menurut pendapat saya, perundungan itu bisa menghancurkan kesehatan mental orang dan membuat orang lain tidak percaya diri. Ya, this is the example. You can make the others' opinion. It is based on your opinion. Ini kan panjang nih. Bikin aja yang simple, yang kalian mengerti ya. Maybe like bullying is a serious problem, maybe something like that. Jadi jangan boleh tidak terlalu panjang, yang penting kena poinnya gitu ya. Sudah selesai? Okay, I'll be waiting here for you. Aulia, please tell us about your opinion of bullying. Please.
I think bullying is not a good thing because it makes people feel isolated and can get them hurt.
Okay, so bullying can make people isolated and make people hurt ya, hurt bukan hurt ya, hurt, sakit ya, sakit. Okay, good. And then I want to hear from Iva Turaihan. Please, Iva Turaihan, tell us about your opinion of bullying.
Because it can damage mental and self-confidence.
Okay, so bullying can make us unconfident. Okay, good. And then I want to hear from Iqbal. Iqbal, please tell us.
My opinion, that's not good.
That's not good. Okay, all right. And then I want to ask you, maybe you can give some opinion how to solve the problem if it is happen around us. Kalau terjadi di sekitar kita, mungkin gimana sih cara menyelesaikan masalah itu? Kalau dari Iqbal apa?
Educators create anti-bullying prevention program and punishment for perpetrators who carry out this action.
Okay, good. So, educate people around us about bullying, right? So it can prevent the bullying around us, right? Maybe I can read your. All right. Build discussion and lecture about overcoming acts of operation. Okay.
Not good.
Alright, thank you Iqbal and friends. Give applause for you guys. Tepuk tangan untuk semuanya. Terima kasih ya untuk pendapatnya hari ini, luar biasa. Then, sorry, what's going on? sorry. Alright. Okay, to solve the problem, we can made a poster about anti-bullying. I think I ever see the poster about stop bullying here. Where is that? Mana? Nggak ada, hilang, dicopot ya. Okay, maybe next time you can add about stop bullying ya. And then yes. Jadi kita sering melihat yang namanya bullying. Maybe kalau tidak ada di sekolah kita, ada di sosial media ya biasanya. By the way, kalau di sekolah kita ada nggak? Pernah nggak menemui? Kalau Miss kan nggak nih. Kalau kalian ada lihat nggak? How about in this class? Is there any bullying here? Nggak ada kan? Nggak ada yang suka bully kan di sini? Okay, good. I believe the students in this class is not like to bullying their friends ya, tidak suka membuli temannya. Jangan sampai ya kita membuli teman kita, because it can our mental health tidak bagus ya. It's dangerous. It is a serious problem ya. Alright. Now let's make a group, and then in your group you are going to discuss about giving opinion, asking opinion, and then agreeing and disagreeing ya. I will divide you into three groups ya. Acak ya. Okay. And then jadi nanti saya pisah ya. Ceweknya dipisah gitu ya. Sebentar. Kita pisah, ceweknya jangan bersatu. Bentar. Bercerai, kita balikan. Okay. Aulia, of course, group 1. And then group 2, May. Group 3, Anida. Ya. Next, Akbar, group 1. And then Ragil, group 1. Agil ya. Next, group 2, Maulana. Maulana tidak hadir ya hari ini ya. Is sick and Hairi Aspija 2. Hah? Oh iya, sorry. My bad. Amir aja ya. Amir ada kan? Amir, and then Ifatur Raihan, group 2. Amir, Ifatur Raihan, and Melinda. Berarti grup 3-nya Firdaus sisanya kan? Iqbal. Sama siapa lagi yang belum disebutkan? Sudah? Habis sudah semuanya? Nih, siapa yang belum disebutkan? Akbar kelompok 1. Kelompok satunya lagi Aulia and then Ragil. Kelompok 2 Melinda, Amir Jihadil Akbar, and Ifatur Raihan. Kelompok 3 Firdaus, Iqbal, sama Nida. Sudah selesai berarti? Ya. Silakan duduk ke kelompoknya masing-masing. Ya. Comfortable with your seat. Buat diri Anda nyaman dengan tempat duduknya ya. Oke, good. Now please discuss with your friend about expression of king or opinion. Okay, discuss with your friend about expression of how to bagaimana cara ya, asking for opinion, giving opinion, agreement and disagreement ya. Diskusikan dengan teman-temannya bagaimana caranya dalam bahasa Inggris ya, in English. Silakan dibuka bukunya, kan sudah dicatat kemarin. Ya, diskusikan aja dulu. Nanti after 5 minutes I will give you a worksheet, group worksheet, and you have to done the worksheet together. Ya, 5 menit. 5 minutes, first discuss about this one, and then I will give you the group work, and you have to finish or done the group work. 5 minutes. Silakan didiskusikan dulu yang kemarin sudah dicatat. Ada kan ekspresinya? Ya, itu penggunaannya. Kalau mau nanya, kita menggunakan yang mana? Kalau mau memberikan pendapat, terus tentang persetujuan dan tidak setuju terhadap sesuatu ya. Misalnya we are talking about the color of the class. Maybe Iqbal want to paint with the blue one, but Nida want to paint the wall with the pink one. Nah, itu kan istilahnya berbeda pendapat. Misalnya kan tidak setuju atau seperti apa gitu ya. Atau misalnya ya others lah. Pikirkan aja dulu sambil tidak usah dibaca aja dulu, dibicarakan aja. Ini intermezzo aja dulu. Sambil diingat-ingat kembali catatan yang kemarin kan, kalau mau memberikan pertanyaan seperti ini, mau memberi pendapat, terus persetujuan, kan ada kan yang dicatat kemarin, ya kan? Nah itu dibaca aja dulu, didiskusikan dengan temennya. Because later you have to make a conversation about asking opinion and giving opinion. Jadi nanti kalian buat dialog atau conversation tentang asking dan giving opinion ya. Nanti setelah jam 14.15 Miss kasih group worknya. Okay. There are 2 activity. For activity 1, you have to make a conversation about asking for opinion and giving opinion. Ya, jadi buat dialog yang memuat tentang ekspresi meminta pendapat dan memberikan pendapat. pendapat. Bisa nanti ditambah dengan agreement atau disagreement ya, yang sudah dipelajari tadi. Itu untuk tugas yang pertama, pendek-pendek aja. Make a short conversation. Maybe Aulia one statement and then siapa Mujahid? Mujahid ini ya? Ya Akbar satu kalimat misalnya, terus Ragil satu. Jadi kan 3 aja. Pendek-pendek aja. Buat percakapannya yang pendek. Pokoknya gimana caranya memikirkan. Kalau mau panjang ya silahkan. It's up to you. And then for activity 2, answer the question. Here, there are 10 questions. Just give X mark, or you can make a circle di pilihan yang A, B atau C atau D gitu ya. Itu aja. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Oke, silahkan dikerjakan.
What does you say?
Mujahid. Made a conversation. So the conversation, yes, you have to answer this question. Ya, di sini langsung di sini ya. I said, made a conversation. Make it short. I mean like Nida one statement and then you guys write one statement and then Firdaus one. Nida misalnya nanya, menurut pendapat kalian aku mau beli tas warna pink atau warna biru aja nih. Terus kata Mujahid, menurut saya kamu lebih cocok dengan warna pink. Terus kata Firdaus, ya saya setuju dengan pendapatnya Iqbal, kamu lebih cocok dengan warna pink. Misalnya seperti itu. Nah itu kan sudah selesai berarti, tapi buat dalam bahasa Inggris gitu. Jadi harus ada asking opinion and then giving opinion gitu.
It's my friend.
I'm sorry, I forget his name. Tapi saya Mujahid namanya.
My friend.
Your friend at 10th grade, also 10th grade like you. Mujahid ya. Di sini there is no Mujahid. Akbar, I mean Akbar tadi ya. Mujahid lagi. Jadi satu orang tuh ibaratnya kayak satu percakapan gitu cukup ya. Atau kalau mau lebih panjang ya silahkan. Tapi itu cuma just my advice. Tapi poinnya dapat gitu. Melinda kasih pertanyaan misalnya mau apa. Terus Ifatur memberikan pendapat. Terus siapa? Si Amir sebenarnya tidak setuju dengan pendapatnya Ifatur, bisa seperti itu. Cari aja topiknya, just look for the topics. You can write your own topics. Silahkan. And then maybe bisa berbagi ya, berbagi tugas. Bisa dilepas aja yang di belakang, jadi 2 orang bikin conversation, satunya menjawab yang di belakang. Supaya cepat, make it fast, cepat gitu ya. Boleh dilepas. Don't forget to write down your name. Atau maybe 2 kalimat boleh kan? Ini percakapan tadi. Ya terserah, tapi poinnya dapat gitu. Itu dijawab di sana, langsung dicoret di sana. Give the answer directly on the paper. Like good morning Aulia, tulis aja kan gitu. Terus siapa tadi namanya? Akbar reply maybe good morning, kayak gitu ya. Bisa ditambah seperti itu supaya memperbanyak conversationnya gitu kan. Itu berapa lembar tuh kan? 2 lembar diskusinya gitu. Kayaknya boleh kayak gitu ya, ditambah gitu ya. Silakan dibagi ya tugasnya supaya semua tercover dengan bagus, dengan baik. We are gonna boleh juga sih. Bisa, kan dia tidak setuju nih. Boleh ditambah misalnya, bagaimana kalau jika kita menghias saja gitu, boleh. Beautiful atau bersih gitu boleh. Baru ini Nida yang ngomong ini, baru Nida terakhir ngomong ini, harus ada di sini. It should be another opinion. Boleh terus tambah pendapat sini. Saya rasa kita lebih baik menghiasi kelas aja gitu, atau membersihkan kelas aja boleh. What is your opinion about my clothes misalnya kan kayak gitu. And then giving opinion, memberikan pendapat. I think your clothes is look amazing today misalnya, atau yang lainnya boleh ini ya, I believe bla bla bla, I feel bla bla bla. In my opinion, our class is clear misalnya. In my honest opinion, nah kayak gitu ya. And then agreeing with an opinion, of course. Nah, kalau kita setuju bisa kita bilang seperti itu. We can say of course atau this is absolutely right. I agree with this opinion. I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying. I agree. I never thought of that. Neither do I. That's a good point. I think so too. Nah, nih. Kalau disagree seperti ini ya. I'm sorry, and then first of all we have to say sorry if we don't agree with others' opinion. Jadi kalau kita tidak setuju dengan pendapat orang lain, kita harus ngomong sorry dulu ya, maaf kayak gitu, supaya orang lain itu tidak salah paham dengan kita ya. I'm not sure I agree with you, boleh seperti itu juga. Tapi biasanya usually, if we don't agree with people, we have to say the reason. Kalau kita tidak setuju dengan pendapat orang lain, kita harus memberitahu alasannya. Atau we can give other option. Kita bisa memberikan pendapat yang lain, pilihan yang lain ya. Kalau tidak setuju, boleh seperti itu. I don't believe that. By this I mean, nah sampai seterusnya ya. Oke. Okay? And then, any question? Ada pertanyaan dulu? Tuh sudah ada kan di catatan kalian, di diskusi kalian tadi beberapa cara kita ingin bertanya kemudian memberikan pendapat gitu ya. Oke, ini sudah tadi ya. Discuss and make a conversation, and then now let's present about your group work in front of the class. Actually, you guys have to practice the dialogue that you made before, yeah. Please, but before you present your group work, I would like to ask you, when your friend practice the dialogue, you have to be silent and then hear the conversation. Try to understand what they are talking about. Ya, jadi saat teman kalian mempresentasikan, nanti tolong dengarkan, jangan ribut, perhatikan dan coba pahami apa yang mereka bicarakan. Salah-salah gitu maksudnya. Kalau ada yang salah, kalau sudah bagus ya alhamdulillah. Kalau salah tidak apa-apa. Don't be shy and don't be afraid to try speak English in front of the class ya. Jangan takut dan jangan malu ya. Kalau salah nanti tolong temennya jangan ditertawakan ya, karena kita sama-sama belajar gitu. Oke, who wants to be the first group? Siapa yang mau pertama mencoba? Boleh Aulia and friends maybe? Kalau Aulia maju, hah? Boleh ya, silakan, of course. Ya, betul. Ya, silakan.
Tangan.
Tolong dipahami ya semuanya. Nanti every group have to give respon. Setiap kelompok harus memberikan respon.
Good morning, guys.
Yang louder. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Guys, what do you think about we are gonna pen or wall calls? Yan ikam.
Yang don't too fast. Jangan terlalu cepat mengucapkannya. Nanti teman yang di sini tidak mendengar gitu.
I'm fine. fine, guys. What do you think about we are gonna paint or wall class?
Bisa mendengar nggak yang di sana? Maksudnya nyaring, tapi jangan terlalu nyaring tidak ya. Dan juga jangan terlalu cepat mengucapkan kalimatnya gitu ya, supaya teman yang di sini bisa mendengar. Udah. Ya, silakan.
I'm fine, guys. What do you think about we are gonna paint or wall class?
I think painting or wall art will take a lot of time. That's true. I agree with Firdaus' opinion, and we are just decorating our class.
Okay. Can you guess what they are talking about? Ada yang bisa menebak? Hah? Kelas, about class, and then what else? Ada yang bisa menebak? Yes, good job. Mencat ya. They are talking about painting the class. Okay, and then siapa tadi? Firdaus don't agree because Firdaus doesn't agree because it will take many times to painting the class, and then Iqbal give setuju. Oh ya, berarti Iqbal ya tadi yang memberikan pendapat bahwa mencat kelas itu membutuhkan waktu yang banyak ya, membutuhkan waktu yang banyak, and then Iqbal agree with Iqbal's opinion, and then they say they only decorating the class ya, without painting the class, the wall class. So ya. Okay. Any question for them? Okay. Maybe in next group, I hope you guys speak louder. Lebih nyaring lagi, tapi maksudnya jangan terlalu cepat, tapi nyaring gitu ya, supaya teman-temannya bisa menebak ya. Oke, give applause for them. Tepuk tangan ya. Sit down please. Silakan. Good job.
Kalau bertanya sesat jalan. Nanti karena yang perjalanan jangan.
Ya. Okay, next. Aulia and friends. Yang nyaring ya. Ya, silakan.
Agil, hello Aulia, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon too.
I'm confused about where to buy shoes.
Buy shoes. Okay.
It's better to go to Banjar because there are lots of malls and shoe stores there, so there are more choice.
Yes, there are more choice there.
Sudah gitu aja. Okay, thank you. Other groups please give some response for their conversation. Ya? Hah? Apa responnya kira-kira? Equal to Iqbal, silakan direspon.
Apa?
Why do you want to go to mall? Ya kan? Yes. Why? Why do you want to go to mall?
Buy shoes.
To buy shoes. Because Akbar want to buy shoes.
Buy
Buy shoes.
because Akbar wants to buy shoes. And then maybe Aulia gave opinion that Akbar has to go to Banjarmasin because there are a lot of malls and there are a lot of shops that sell the shoes. So Akbar can memilih apa? Choose the best one for him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Anything else? Sudah jelas? Oke, good. Berarti tadi Akbar meminta pendapat teman-temannya ya, gitu ya? Oke, sip. Silakan duduk tepuk tangan untuk Aulia and friends. Tepuk tangan, good job ya. And then the last one but not least,
Ini Mel.
Fatur, Raihan, and friends.
Hello Ifwatur and Melinda, good morning.
Hello, Samuel. Good morning.
I just watched the latest blockbuster everyone's been talking about. Have you seen it?
I just, coba repeat after Miss. I just
Watch
watch the latest blockbuster everyone's been talking about.
the latest
The latest blockbuster
blockbuster
everyone's been
everyone's been
talking about.
talking about.
Have you seen it?
Have you seen it?
Okay, good.
No, not yet. Not yet.
But
But I'm curious.
yeah, good.
What did you
Think
think of the move?
The movie. Okay,
movie.
good. The movie.
In my opinion,
Oh yeah.
the storyline was
Quiet
quiet and
Engaging.
and the acting was super. However, I felt the ending was a bit
disappointing.
disappointing. Then what about
You,
you, Melinda?
Okay, good.
Did you watch it yesterday too?
Okay.
Yeah, I watched it
I watched.
yesterday and I did the same as you. Amin.
Okay.
I see. Thanks for letting me know.
All
I'll
consider
consider where to watch.
whether where ya itu ya. Whether atau apa?
Weather. Weather.
Whether itu ketinggalan A-nya kayaknya. Harusnya oh ya pas. Whether to watch it or
Watch it
or not. Okay. Give some response please, Aulia and friends and Ida and friends for their conversation. Please. Nggak bisa dikatakan after you give your response, I will
Ayeuna.
conclude
Silakan.
our group work.
Banyak kata-kata.
Silakan berikan responnya. Hah?
Harus ada kata-kata.
Oke, dari kata sudah bagus ya berarti ya? It's good because you cannot hear. Atau apa kira-kira? Good. Udah ada respon, oke. Tadi ya. Ya udah berikan tepuk tangan aja. Silakan dulu, praktis. Okay, so Melinda and friends talking about the movie, ya. Siapa namanya? Amir just watch a movie, Blockbuster ya tadi ya, Blockbuster, and then Amir ask opinion to Ifatur and Melinda, right? Okay. I think you guys made a very good conversation, ya. Sudah bagus semuanya, sudah paham apa yang Miss mau, sudah bisa berarti ya. Berarti sudah bisa membedakan ya, yang mana meminta dan memberikan pendapat. Sudah bisa kan? Setuju dan tidak setuju sudah bisa ya. Kalau agreement seperti apa, kalau disagreement seperti apa ya. Tadi juga sudah mengerjakan soal-soalnya juga semuanya ya. Alhamdulillah. Oke. Ada pertanyaan dulu kira-kira? Pertanyaan? Tidak ada. Jadi evaluasinya untuk kegiatan kalian hari ini, mungkin tadi kerjasamanya sudah cukup bagus, bisa lebih ditingkatkan ya. Give a lot of improvement on your group work, and then apalagi ya, bisa dikembangkan sebenarnya tadi conversationnya bisa lebih diperbanyak lagi, and then you guys have to practice a lot how to speak ya. Actually not you but me, not only you but also me, we have to practice a lot. So apa ya istilahnya tuh, kita bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris lebih pede lagi, confidently ya, confidently, jadi bisa lebih percaya diri lagi berbicaranya. Tadi kan masih kayak malu-malu gitu ya. Padahal sebenarnya bisa, tapi suaranya masih ditahan-tahan. Pokoknya keluarkan aja suaranya. Nida tadi sudah bagus, tapi kan jangan terlalu cepat gitu loh. Ngomongnya supaya teman-teman bisa menangkap. Gitu ya. Oke, now udah sampai habis ya. Sudah membuat kesimpulan tadi. Kita refleksi dulu ya, refleksi bukan pijat refleksi ya, tapi ini seperti ya kita nilai tentang pembelajaran kita pada hari ini seperti apa, apakah sudah bagus atau seperti apa ya. The question is how is your feeling about our class and our material today? Bagaimana perasaannya hari ini tentang kelas kita hari ini? Biasa saja, bagus misalnya atau apa gitu. Only good. Alhamdulillah good ya. Berarti perasaannya atau misalnya ada yang ngantuk, ada yang bosan gitu. Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Yes. You can wash your face if you sleepy before we start our lesson. Okay. And then what have you understand after studying this material? Apa yang sudah dipahami setelah mempelajari materi ini? Understand about how to
Agree, disagree.
yeah, agreeing and disagreeing, and then yes, asking for opinion and giving opinion. Okay, good job. And then the last one, have you mastered all the learning material that has been carried out? If not, what material has not been mastered? Kira-kira sudah menguasai atau belum? Insya Allah bisa ya, pelan-pelan ya, nanti dipelajari lagi. Kalau tidak paham, if you still don't understand, you can ask me or ask your friend ya. Kalau tidak paham, bisa tanya Miss atau tanya temennya yang sudah paham, jangan diam aja, oke? And then this is the last part of our class. I would like to say thank you for your attention, and then I would like to say sorry if I made a mistake. I hope next week we are gonna better class. We are gonna have better class, and then inshallah we are going to learn about descriptive, describing, ya, menggambarkan. How to describe something, how to describe everything maybe ya. Nanti insya Allah minggu depan. Okay, see you next week. Let's close our meeting today by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And then please don't forget to pray asar together on mosque. Ya, jangan lupa. And then I will absent you, ya. Okay, silahkan prepare your things and then go to the mosque together. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.